What up, YouTube? This your boy RC Crispy, and I'm back at y'all with another one. Okay, so I'm gonna start off setting my ball line using my Fabulous FX gold trimmers, and I'm gonna go all the way around the head with a straight line. Next, I'm using my Fabulous FX3 shavers to shave the nape and the side areas. So with this cut, I'm going to use the fading down method. I'm going to create my lines going from the top to the bottom. Using my Fabulous Low Pro FX clippers with the 1.5 guard lever open. Now with the lever up all the way, using my #1 guard, I'm going to create my next line. I'm going to go up about a full inch, so that'll allow me to have enough room to create my next line going down. Starting from the ball line, with my lever down all the way, I'm going to create my next line going up about a ½ inch. Quick tip, so when I'm creating my line starting from that ball line, I'm also helping that ball line disappear. So this is the beginning of the fade process. Now I'm going to blend the 3 lines together. Starting with the ball line, I have my lever all the way up, which means my blade is all the way closed. Notice in this process, I'm taking my left thumb that's on the top and I'm stretching the skin. So that's going to allow the hairs to stand up, making it easier for the hairs to come off. Also, if you guys notice, when I'm blending, I always have the comb in my hand. At the top of the screen, I'm holding my comb while I'm blending. I'm gonna flick, 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 then comb. Flick, 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 then comb. Always, always, always keep the comb in your hand. It's like having a third arm. Also, I always think of my clippers as an eraser. So as I'm erasing the line, I'm using my comb to clean off the shavings. So moving on to the next line, I have my lever all the way down, which means I have my blade all the way open. Also here, if you notice, I'm not using the whole blade. I'm only using the corners of the blade to create the blend. Now, as I just demonstrated here, move my lever all the way up, which means I close my blade all the way, using my one guard, moving on to the next line to blend. So in this next step, I'm going to detail, or lack of a better term, I'm going to clean up the fade. So I'm going to move my lever up and down, open and close my blade as I see fit, and try to remove some of the dark spots that I see in there. For the beginners out there, this is where you have to be good at knowing your calibrations of your clippers, understanding how much hair each guard takes off, also developing a barber's eye where you can see all the dark spots. I'm actually pointing out the dark spots that I see, but this takes time and practice. So just keep cutting, and you'll develop that eye. So going back to where I first started, I grabbed my trimmers and I'm taking out that ball line. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm using the corners of the blade and I'm going to the line and flicking right out. So I don't want to go past the line anymore because I don't want to create a new line. And then I'm going to go back to detailing or cleaning up a little bit more. So here my client requested about 1 inch off the top. So I'm going to start off by wetting the hair first. This makes the hair a lot more manageable. It lays the hair down. And I'm going to use the shear over finger technique. Now for anyone who wants to learn this technique, just leave comments below. And if I get a lot of requests, I can create some content teaching this in detail. Okay, so I'm going to be doing some beard work here, just trim the beard down a little bit. I'm also going to be fading out the sideburns. I will be posting some content on my beard service, so you guys should stay tuned for that. Keep watching, hit the notification button, and you will get notified when that comes out. So using a little bit of the shear over comb technique, I'm going to take down some of the bulk that's right here near the parietal ridge. That is the area of the head where it's in between the sides and the top of the head. This is almost equivalent to using a 1.5 guard, and this helps you see a little bit better as opposed to using the guards moving at a slower pace. So as you saw, I combed the hair back. This is the way my client likes to style his hair. And I'm also going to blow dry it back to develop that style that my client desires. So I'm going to apply some styling gel to help maintain the style that I'm putting in, because I don't want my client to walk out the door and oof, all his hair just flies everywhere. So this helps maintain the style and holds it in place. So adding to the style, I'm going to put a part right here on the parietal ridge. Now, once again, by my client's request, I'm going to use my Z's cordless compressor to add a little bit of enhancement. Now, you don't always want to use a black color when adding enhancement. Not everybody's hair is black. My particular client here, his hair is like a dark brownish color. So I'm going to use that color to match and blend in with the actual color of his hair. So right here, I used my barber pencil to highlight the lineup. I have a very unique way of using the barber pencil. I can show you that on another video. Most barbers consider the barber pencil as another enhancement. I don't look at it that way. I just look at it as you highlighting your lineup work. Okay, so here I'm adding my finishing touches with my razor work. I like to use the Persona blades. I'm a little old school with it. In my opinion, they're still one of the most sharpest and durable blades out there. Okay, so here's the final look. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Also, you can leave a comment. And if you want to see more videos like this, you can also hit that notification button and let you know when my next videos are coming out. Also, if you're in the Philly area and you're looking for a barber, you can find me on Booksy, the Booksy app. All right, y'all, this is RC Crispy. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all next time. Salute.